Hello, in front of me I've got Realme C21Y. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, enter Google Pay. And tap on blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select shop you want to add your loyalty card to. For example, MediaMarkt Poland. Now scan your card or enter details manually. Tap save and it's done. Now let's select gift card. It's pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is your public transport card. If you are able to find your public transport, select it, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.